So we are going to talk about the design bar in Microsoft Word. This is Nkaja Tech. Like, subscribe for more content like this. So we are going to talk about the design bar. We have the document formatting and the page background. The design bar does not have a lot of things. It has the themes. You can select themes for your work. You just need to highlight this and select a type of document formatting. You choose a type, that's how your document will be formatted. So to change the types of document formatting, to change these document formattings, you can come over here and change the color and the fonts in this document formatting. That's basically about the document formatting. Now we are going to talk about the page background. With this watermark, you can create a watermark in your page, like this watermark confidential. You just need to click on it and a watermark will be created in your work. If you need a custom watermark, if you need to remove the watermark, just come here and remove the watermark. If you want to create a custom watermark, come over here to custom watermark and select if you want a picture watermark or a text watermark. It's the same procedure, but this you just need to select a picture that you want to use for your watermark. Let's select insert. You can select watch out or you remove watch out and then click OK. The watermark will be automatically put into your work. Just remove that watermark and try out with a text watermark. Just need to come here and select text watermark. Input the language that you're using for the watermark. Input the watermark that you want to put in your work. Then choose the font type that you are going to use for your watermark. Select the size. Select the color that you want your watermark to be. Then you can select semi-transparent or not. Then choose the layout. Do you want a diagonal watermark or horizontal watermark? Just choose a diagonal watermark and click apply. The watermark will be automatically put into your work. That's basically about the watermark. We are going to move over to page color. This is the color of your page. Now my page color is white. If I need to change the color of my page, I just need to come here and choose the color that I want my page to be. Just select that color and the color of your page will change. We are going to go over and remove that. We are going to go over to page borders. This allows you to put page borders over your page. Just need to select the type of border that you want. Click it, select its color. Select the size that you want your border to be. You can as well choose an ad and those ones provided here for your page border. Go and select. If you have section breaks into your document or you have different sections, you can choose a partial selection where you want to put the borders. I'm going to put mine on the whole document and press OK. As you see, the border has been created on my work. If you want an art, you just need to come here and choose an art and just select OK. The border will be created on your work. That is basically about the design bar. Like, subscribe for more content like this.